Hello, my name is Julie, and the question for my assignment was, how are monthly stock returns for Microsoft, GE, Intel, GM, and Cisco related? And the best way for us to find the relation would be to utilize a scatter plot. So I'm just going to highlight all of my data, and I can either do that by just hovering over, or I can just select the tabs up here. I'll go over to insert and I'll select the scatter plots. And it'll actually give me the information. So the way that you can see how they're related, whether it's a positive or a negative, would be by utilizing a scatter plot. If it all forms like a line, or you're able to form a line between them, depending how the line goes, would be positive or negative. In this case, they have a positive relationship between all of the data that is provided. With this chart, you can come here and you can edit it. You can change the title on it. You're also able to add as far as like the access, and that way you would be able to kind of give the access titles. But yeah, this is how you would find the relationship.